MSGM, a Florida-based racing game developer, just 10x'd on this massive news catalyst. Motorsport games, according to Investor Plays, is skyrocketing higher on Tuesday after announcing a debt for equity exchange agreement with Motorsport Network. Motorsport Network is the parent company of Motorsport Games. Now, Motorsport Games itself is a very interesting company. And before we go into that, I just want to remind everyone that we do have a free Discord where we are up over 100% on the week due to our call outs such as CVNA, such as the short squeeze on MGAM. Just huge win, guys. If you're not part of the Discord, make sure to join. MSGM is the one we're looking at today. I know a lot of traders are thinking about trading the stock, which is why I'm covering it. Motorsport Network, the majority shareholder of Motorsport Games, has agreed to a $1 million debt repayment. This taps into Motorsport Games' $12 million line of credit with Motorsport Network. Now, $1 million debt repayment is, I know it sounds like a lot, but it's not that crazy. This can help MSGM or Motorsport Games company in the short term, but it's not some kind of substantial news catalyst that's really going to cause this stock to substantially increase in value overall. You have to ask yourself, why does this company even need this debt repayment in the first place? It's because it's in trouble. It's not producing enough value, which is why the same company says, while analysts are neutral, all four analysts with current coverage give this stock a hold rating. Okay, this is the four analysts that are analyzing the fundamentals of this stock, MSGM, Motorsport Games. I still suggest, and this is the writer of the article in Investor Place, that investors stay away. Motorsport Games posted a 60-cent per share loss this quarter. That figure is anticipated to be a $1.11 share per loss through the entirety of 2022, according to Yahoo Finance. None of this inspires confidence in MSGM stock moving forward. Now, we have to take this analyst, this is just another analyst. This is just another analyst analyzing MSGM stock. We have to take their opinion with a grain of salt. The best way to determine whether MSGM is actually a buy or not is simply to analyze the price action and volume of MSGM stock, which I will do later in this video. But MSGM stock, MSGM stock is a stock which, if it shows the right kind of signals on the chart, can result in a good trade. Am I asking you to buy and hold all MSGM stock? Well, there might be a reason to do that, which we'll get to in a second. But is that the idea, is that we're just going to buy and hold? No, we would have to trade MSGM if we're going to buy any MSGM at all, at least according to my trading philosophy, which has made traders 100, 200, 1000% each trading year. So MSGM is a Florida-based racing game developer, as we talked about earlier. Here are some of their games. NASCAR Rival, NASCAR Heat Ultimate Edition Plus, NASCAR 21 Ignition. I can't believe I'm talking about this on the channel. Video games. And just for this reason alone means that we should buy all shares of MSG. I'm just kidding. Okay, make sure that you subscribe. There's a 10% chance if you watch this video and you're not a subscriber that you will subscribe. So I just want to know, are you in the 10% of winners who will receive high-end research absolutely free? Or are you part of the majority, the 90%, who will miss the next big short squeeze? Because we always cover short squeezes in the Discord, which you can join for free before they actually happen, and that's crazy. We've had BBAI, which went to $4. We were covering that at about $180, so everyone got 100% who was in the pro Discord. So here's the big question: will MSGM squeeze again? Will MSGM squeeze again? And in order to give you an answer to that question, we have to now look at the technicals of MSGM. So here is MSGM chart. MSGM chart went to $27. You can see it was $250. So again, it 10x'd. It literally 10x'd in one day. So 10x in one day. But where is the chart now? Well, the chart shows that it's at about $20. Okay, the fair value for MSGM is somewhere between $15 and $20. So you don't want to pick up MSGM, okay? And I am not giving you this information so you can say, coach told me to buy. Okay, if you want buy signals, if you want real buy and sell signals, and you want to copy my exact trades, then join the pro Discord, because that's where I do all of that. But I do want to notify you that buying MSGM at $25 or $30, or especially if you buy it near $32, that's a bad idea. Okay, that's actually where you may want to consider shorting MSGM. Shorting MSGM there may actually yield you some pretty good results. But in any case, let's say that you are not necessarily buying MSGM right now. What can you do? Well, you can watch this chart, because there's enough volume on this chart. Okay, if we actually look at the trading volume, 50 million shares traded, only 1 million shares float. That's pretty good. I just want to confirm that I'm reading this correctly, because that seems rather high even for MSGM. So yes, it appears that yes, we only have a 1 million float on MSGM, and yet we had 50 million in trading volume. So that's significant, right? That's a significant number, meaning that we would really want to, if we get a continuation here, it's fairly likely that we will get a continuation on this stock, MSGM, at least at some point. Okay, so picking up shares of MSGM around as close to $15 as you possibly can may yield a positive result, at least in terms of a day trade or short-term swing trade. Why? Because the stock is likely to come back up to about $20, about $22, about $24. It may even go to $30, okay? But you want to buy it at a fair value. And the fair value for MSGM is anywhere from $10 to $15. You don't really want to pay more than $15 for MSGM. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is just what I would do if I was trading MSGM. And I may trade MSGM. We will cover MSGM more in the Pro Discord, which you can join for free in the description. But if you haven't already joined, then keep this and take this with you, because I still want you to make money. The MSGM stock is likely to go to at least one more rally. It's likely to go through at least one more rally. It will probably be flat tomorrow, or maybe even go to a rally tomorrow. It's about a 50-50 on that one. But there's going to be one more rally on MSGM. Probably in the pre-market, you're going to see a rally to $25, maybe even $30 in the pre-market on MSGM. That's the most likely scenario right now. Remember that this is what I'm telling you, because tomorrow, when you actually see it happen, you're going to say, whoa, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. And if you look at any of my other videos, we called out BuzzFeed BZFD at $2. We called out multiple short squeezes before they actually happened. We probably called out 1,000%. So we 10x'd everybody's account, basically, who's in the Discord, if they followed all the call outs. That's how accurate these trades are. So watch MSGM tomorrow. It's probably going to gap up in the pre-market. It's probably going to go to about $28, $29. And if you aren't in the Pro Discord already, make sure to join. I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek. The Pro Discord is where we went through a number of winning trades. Okay, so we got the CVNA chart. We were all buying it right here, about $9. Yes, the stock went to about $11. We went to this stock MGAM. We were talking about it at $1. It went to $4. We had HSCS, which went up 40% on the day. Look at this. HSCS, Bed Bath & Beyond, from 270 to 285 sell. HSCS, look at this. HSCS right here around $1.85. The stock did go to 250, from 180 to 250. That's a 30% increase. Guys, there's plenty of winning trades around here if you join the Discord. But the most important thing is, if you watch MSGM and we really cover the fundamentals in this stock and analyze the technicals, then you get it at a fair price. You don't want to be buying it just to buy it. You don't want to buy it too high. So get it at a fair price and then sell it before $32 if you want my opinion on that. And have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time.